into medicine because it's the most fascinating field that I can even begin to imagine. You have these little tiny cells that become entire people. You have these bodies that operate and move and can do fascinating things. The origin of thought and where it comes from. But why I picked OB specifically is because it was the happiest field. You know, it's the only field where you go to the OR and you come out and you have a little present, and sometimes two. Every once in a while, 3. Women's Care Florida is dedicated to improving the lives of women every day. That's our mission statement. And I think that as a whole, we do a really good job of that. There are some of us that are more dedicated to more global issues or to community issues. But really, I think what it comes down to is that every day in the office, spending that time educating my patients, going with them to the OR for something that she and I decided together was important enough and beneficial enough that it was worth taking that risk of going under in order to take care of for her. And in the labor and delivery suite, where it's unquestionable that you're improving their lives because you're about to introduce them to their son or daughter, there's nothing better than that. So if there's one thing I would like patients to know, it is that it actually is important to come in for everyday checkups. I can't tell you the number of times somebody has come in and said that everything was fine, and then we uncover something that is actually potentially life-threatening and can save them and can do something to help her that day. So when I'm not in the office, I love to host big dinner parties. I love to cook. I love the relaxing chopping of the veggies, getting everything set up, and then having all my friends over. And then we usually bust out the board games. So that's what I do in my spare time.